What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Reflector back here again. Another video. Just want to first start off, tell you guys, your boy's officially monetized on the tube, man. Finally got ads in my videos. I'm happy about it. And it's only up from here, man. On the road to 2,000 subscribers, man. So I just need you guys to just keep liking the videos, man, and just hit the subscribe button if you're new to this channel, man. I'm telling you, you won't regret it, man. I'll be coming out with some fire content. I got another car review video that I'm going to be doing tomorrow, and I'm going to be uploading it tomorrow as well, so stay tuned for that. For today's video, I got clear bumper reflector lights. This is sequential lights from my 2019 Honda Accord Sport. So I'm in a PDI right now. I work, just left the gas station. I'm gonna go back and bring my car into the shop and then set you guys up for a little time lapse and let's get to it. First, you guys want to start off by taking off these right here. I don't know what size island it is, but a T30 fits in there perfectly. Let's put all that right there. Same on this side. No. Alright, next you're gonna have to remove these. Hopefully I don't break them, but I have extras from doing my tail lights. Just like that. Alright guys, so I had to jack the car up and put my car in jack stands and take my back wheels off because I got 1-inch spacers in the back, so it wasn't allowing me to have enough space to remove the 4 screws to remove the bumper. So you don't necessarily have to take the wheels off, but in my case I had to. Alright guys, you don't have to take it all the way off. There's gonna be 3 screws holding that you gotta remove. So let's do that. Alright guys, I ran the wire through there, up through here, and then you put this jumper harness and it's gonna connect to the tail lights, which I have to, I gotta unplug that. Alright guys, wires ran through this grommet and then plugs into the tail light, like so. Alright guys. Oh, blood, you this it? Blood clot, you hot daddy. We're outside, huh?
Oh, turn in signal make you run.
Yeah. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick little video. It wasn't a very long video, but I mean it's a quick little video that I rushed to get done before. I literally started it at 4:30 and it's 5:15 now. We close at 5, so I had to really rush. So you saw how fast I got it done. So I mean, it's possible. You just need a couple little tools from me, and you get it done. If your car's not low like mine with spacers, then you won't have to take the back wheels off like I did. I take back bumpers off on temp gens at work, and I don't take the wheels off. I can reach the screws without having to do that, but the way my car's set up, I couldn't do that. So comment, like, and subscribe, man. Turn them post notification bells on, man. Stay tuned, man. I'm gonna keep uploading this video tonight. I'm gonna upload another video tomorrow night on the car review. It's gonna be on WRX, so that'll be fun. So stay tuned, man. It's your boy Reflector. We out of here, man.